way that we operate trades, the way we operate automation, when you look at machine tool and welding, high energy programs. They take a lot of energy. And how do you do that efficiently? And how do you do that in a world-class environment?
Since 2005, Western Technical College in downtown La Crosse has collaborated with Focus on Energy and its utility Xcel Energy on more than 70 projects.
Our energy conservation program has saved over $4 million since 2009.
54 projects since 2013.
Those are real dollars and validated savings for our taxpayers, and focus our efforts on students getting great jobs.
The American Association of Sustainability and Higher Education lists Western Technical as a top 10 two-year college for overall sustainability performance.
We are proud to have served this region for over 110 years.
And a top 10 in the country among all colleges and universities for energy reduction using renewable sources.
Their work is a reminder to us all that we don't have to choose between mitigating climate change and protecting our environment and good paying jobs and economic development. We can and should do both.
Western Technical's list of energy improvement projects includes replacing 95% of campus lighting with LEDs, deploying high-efficiency HVAC solutions using 2 separate geothermal systems, obtaining LEED certification for 9 of its 22 buildings, 4 silver, 4 gold, and 1 platinum rating, and operating 5 solar photovoltaic arrays.
We have committed to being both sustainable and resilient organization to help reduce our carbon footprint, reduce our costs, so that we can continue offering this high-cost education that's so important for our communities, for our employers, and for lifting people up.
One of our core values at Xcel Energy is commitment, and we share this value with Western Technical and their commitment to energy efficiency and sustainability. This award showcases the efforts of Western Technical College and their efforts over the last decade.
Congratulations to Western Technical College, a 2023 Energy Efficiency Award winner.